Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be turning myself into a Victoria's Secret angel, which I'm super excited about. It's the show, I think, in like a week or something, so I thought it was only fitting to do some Victoria's Secret hair and makeup. It's kind of like my inspo and some of my favorite angels, and yeah, it's going to be super 90s, super glowy, and super Victoria's Secret. So the first step with this transformation is hair. I did this off camera because I'm really bad at hair and I did not want to advise you guys on how to blow dry hair because this is my attempt of rollers and I look completely insane, so didn't film that. But these have been marinating for a little while, so I'm gonna take out my rollers and hopefully we should, okay, that first one was a success. Hopefully we should have some really bouncy 90s blowout going on. Not gonna lie, I've just taken these out and I think it's turned out quite well. So maybe, if you guys are interested, maybe I'll do a tutorial on this hair for you. So let me know if that would be of interest. But I'm gonna show you this product that I used in my hair that I feel like really helps with a blowout. This is the spray I use. It's the Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. You spray this all over your hair while it's wet. Like, I put in quite a lot of this. I think you're supposed to use a lot, and it apparently helps you have this like really shiny blowout, and I personally think it works really well. And I think it's like, yeah, anti-humidity, so your hair like stays like this and doesn't get frizzy. So highly recommend this product if you want to try something out for your blowouts. Also, I completely forgot to mention that I have put in some green contact lenses. I'm gonna put where I got them from in the color here for you guys, just because I thought it'd be fun to try out a different eye color for this look and just really enhance everything, because Victoria's Secret is very enhanced. I love playing around with different eye colors. I think it's so fun. Prepped my skin with all the Rhode products. This is my little skincare lineup, and I have a super hydrated glowy base to start, which is very important. You want to make sure your skin is really nice and glowy before you go in with any makeup. I'm going in with a contour wand. Yes, angels are always really nice and sculpted, so I am going in with this to start with, and I'm just popping this in all the places that I want to contour. I'm just taking a brush and I'm going to blend this in and just keep it really specifically to the area that I placed the contour. I am so excited the show is coming back. When I was younger, me and my friends every year would plan someone's house to watch the show at, and we'd all go after school, and like it would be a whole thing to sit and watch the show, and we were all obsessed. So I want to make my eyes pop. I'm going to start off with some cream bronzer as the base of my eyelid, and I'm just putting this everywhere and really blending it in so it's really seamless. You can see the slightest difference there, that this eyelid just has a little bit more evenness to it. I'm going to take some of this translucent powder and I'm just going to set that in place on my eyelids with a powder puff, just so it looks super airbrushed. And this powder is in shade translucent, so again, it looks really natural. Although the makeup is like very glam, it's still natural, which I love. Starting off with this shade here, which is kind of like a neutral, slightly pinky shade, and I'm just taking this all over my lid. Then we can go in with this really nice bronzy shade and start to really add some dimension to the eyes. And I'm keeping this darker shade in the outer V of my eye to really give me a cat eye look, and it just makes your eyes look nice and big. To really make my eyes pop, I'm going to take this shade here on an angled brush, and I'm just going to line my eyes super lightly with this. And once I've added a line, I'm going to wing it out. And I think using a shade like this just makes it less harsh than going in with an eyeliner. To really make everything pop, I'm gonna take this shimmery color, and this is kind of like a rose gold champagne. And oh, I haven't taken this little plastic off the mirror. There we go. And I'm just gonna put this into the center of my lids. I'm also going to take this into my inner corners. Also take some of this very lightly up on your brow bone. Just adding some corner lashes to really give me that cat eye look, but I'm really bad at putting these on, so it's a struggle. My arm position right now. See that just adds a nice je ne sais quoi. Love how fluffy and curly these lashes are. I think they just look really natural. And then I am going in with some mascara on the rest of my lashes. I'm gonna take this pencil, Sweet Beauty, I'm not sure what shade this is. Bright, shade Bright. And I'm gonna put this in my waterline. Now I'm going to take my Makeup Forever HD Skin Palette, which is very well loved, as you can see. And I'm going to take some of the lighter shades mixed together, and I'm gonna put this underneath my eyes. Just really making sure to take the product upwards to keep it really nice and lifted. And then I am just taking this everywhere else that I would like to brighten. So I like to take it around my nose and my mouth, between my eyebrows, center of my chin, under my cheekbone too, to make everything really nice and snatched. Then over the top of this, I'm going to lightly buff in some foundation. This is the Fenty Soft Lit, and I just warm this up in the center of my hands, and then I'm just going to put this all over, kind of like an underpainting situation, because I've already done my contour. I'm gonna take some down my neck too, so everything looks really nice and seamless. Then I'm going back to my palette and I'm going to mix some bronzy shades, and we are going to bronze up the cheeks. For blush, I want to use something quite pink, so I'm using Rhode in Piggy, and I'm just going to put this up at the tops of my cheeks, and you can see it's this really nice baby doll pink, and I'm going to put a little on my nose there too. And something that's really important when doing like a more glam makeup is to use all your like cream products first before you go in with any powders. That way everything just blends a lot nicer and doesn't look cakey. Angels always have this really nice light pink blush, and I think this blush is perfect for it. Once all my creams are on, we are now going to set the under eyes with the powder puff and powder again like we did on our eyelids, and you will see how flawless this makes your skin look. It's honestly crazy. It looks like you have a filter on your face. To really make my cheekbones pop, I also like to take the powder just underneath my cheekbone too. I'm going to take the bronzy shade underneath my eyes to really tie everything together and also just add some depth to my under eye. So my brows currently have a lamination, so I've just brushed them into place, and then I'm going to fill them in a little bit just because I want them to look nice and full and bushy. I'm gonna line my lips. This is Makeup Forever in, what shade is this? Wherever Walnut. I just want my lips to look really pouty, almost like a Rosie Huntington Whiteley vibe. I feel like her lips are just so Victoria's Secret. So I start by slightly overlining the center of my bottom lip, and then I just line my lips normally on the rest of the lip. And on the top, I overline just in the center and line normally on the rest of the lip. And I feel like this is the perfect pinky nude. This color to me is the closest thing I could find to their lip colour. And I feel like it's pretty spot on. I'm gonna take this Fenty Beauty lipstick in Blazed Donut and just put that in the very centre of my lips to add a really subtle shine. Just to really even everything out, I'm gonna take the same shimmery champagne shade I used on my eyelids, and I'm going to use this as highlight. I do feel like Victoria's Secret is more of a classic glow rather than a really shiny, more wet look that I usually do on myself, so I just wanted to use a powder for this. Here is the final complete Victoria's Secret makeup. I love how this turned out. I think this would be really nice for if you just wanted to be super glam, or for Halloween. I feel like being an angel or something could be really cute. But yeah, I love how this turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you as always for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys. See you next time.